Aren't you liking this game?
This is another of your games. I thought you said you would help.
I have no control over this.
Yeah, right.
I'm sure you'll handle this well. Knock knock?
Who's there?
Harry.
Harry who?
Hurry up. You shouldn't stay out there.
I love knock-knock jokes too.
I know. Come on, let's go on an adventure. Don't burn your wings.
I'm trying not to. I love this sky.
It does fill up the void, doesn't it?
There's another room.
There will always be if you choose so.
Outside makes me feel trapped just as much.
The box is sometimes much wider than it looks.
Any clue?
What about?
Well, the next step.
What would you like to see?
The end of the maze. What the dickens?
What is it? Pick it up.
I won't even ask if you know what it does.
I'd be embarrassed.
What could it be?
Pretty?
Beyond pretty. What could it be?
I'd say around 216 polygons.
What?
Nothing. This is obviously not a cube.
Cubes, crates, boxes. It looks just as useless as the others. Alright, mysterious IG. Let's drop that and I'll take you out for a drink.
Lovely.
Well, only if there's a bar. Can you do that for me?
I'm not sure this is the right kind of place.
Trace. It's all I can do for now. I'm leaving a trace, but I have already forgotten why, or even what happened. What led me here.
They could be crows, yeah.
Why would crows be in space?
Things are changing.